Hello, good morning. In this tutorial, we will show to you on how to use the climate system. Um, in this page, you will see the overview of the current temperature of the uh, appliances and then the current temperature of the house, and then the uh, history or the uh, temperature history per seconds. This system is used to manipulate the temperature or to monitor the temperatures the of your house. There is the tab here. The first one is the overview, this one. The second is the rooms, and then that shows the different room, and then the temperature of that room. And then next is the appliances, which this is the identified appliances showing the temperatures by Celsius, and in the history of that appliances or the current graph. And then there is, we go back to overview, and then there is a mode. You can choose mode of this system. Actually, there are two mode, the normal and the special mode. It's either you want to click this special mode button, yan, or you can pause, you can on the special mode here at the top, yan. And then in this you can see the another features of this special mode, because you want you can show more detailed graphical measures, and like this one, the kitchen is 80 Celsius, which is showing the line bar down the word kitchen. Here you can, and then you can see this normal mode. There is no bar showing under the name of the kitchen room, and then when you click the small mode, special mode, there is the advanced settings. Ayan. Next is the appliances, and then so you can, as you can see this, there is a changes, and here is a another features, and so this climate system is very useful in terms of automations, house automations, this is used for the expensive house buildings or office or government institutions, that this is you can monitor, or you can manipulate, you can control even the device, and then there is so much you can do to this system. So this system is created and designed. This is design of the system created by student of the Corhizo College. So thank you for watching this video demo. Hopefully we can improve this system, and then we can do more configurations, do more. We can learn through this system. We can learn how to manipulate design, how to edit design, and how to interact with the system. And today we are thankful that we are we were sure on how we created the system and designing with the cooperation of the individuals of our group. So thank you for watching until the end. So goodbye and see you on the next demo.